Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 2D drawing from the existing 3D solid part with the help of FreeCAD Techdraw Workbench. The Techdraw Workbench is used to produce basic technical drawings. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 3D solid part into 2D drawing. First, open the existing 3D model and then switch to Techdraw Workbench. Next, click on the New Page template and insert the preferred template to your project. Now, select the body whose drawing we want to create and click the Insert View button. First, click simply this button to open the 3D model and to create the 2D drawing. This drawing is based on Exercise 20 3D solid part. Before you start with creating the views, make some basic settings to fulfill the standards. Here you will see the Techdraw Workbench. Here you find the customization options. First, you can set the projection mode. You have the choice between the first and the third angle options. For the line convention, you can select either the ANSI or ISO standard according to your country. You also have the option to set the scale of the views. Now switch from Part Design Workbench to Techdraw Workbench. Next, click on the New Page template and insert the preferred template to your project. Select the template according to the size of the drawing. Choose one of the standard and then select the proper size of the page. My choice for this drawing is the ISO standard and A3 page format. Now select the body whose drawing we want to create and then activate the Insert View button. Small View in the middle of the page will appear and a dialog will appear in the task panel. You get the front or the required view by activating these buttons in the task panel. After the front view is ready, and then click on the boxes to create the secondary views. Here you can set the distances between the views in horizontal and vertical direction. In this drop-down box, you have a choice between Page, Automatic, and Custom options to change the scale of the views. To move the views independently, please deactivate this button. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Next, we create the center and the symmetry lines. Select the type of the symmetry line and set the thickness of the line. Add the symmetry line everywhere it is needed. Now, we add the necessary dimensions to the views. To activate and deactivate the view frames, use this tool. In the text field, you can edit any text according to your drawing name and content. Double-click and then edit the text. In FreeCAD, you also have the possibility to use your own text field or a page with your brand. If you want to show the ISO view colored, click on simply the Active View tool and then position it to proper position. As you see, the 2D drawing is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.